Good morning, Michael. How are you today?
Good morning, Ms. Johnson. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. I wanted to talk to you about something exciting. Have you heard of my YouTube channel, Learn English with DialoguEase?
Oh, yes. I've seen a few of your videos. They're really fun and helpful. I love the animated characters you use.
I'm glad to hear that. I create those videos to make learning English more engaging and enjoyable. They cover various topics and are designed to improve your speaking skills. I thought it would be a great resource for you.
That sounds fantastic. I've been looking for ways to practice my English speaking, and your videos seem perfect for that. How can I make the most out of them?
I'm glad you're interested. First, you can start by watching the videos with subtitles. This way, you can follow along and understand the dialogues better. Pay attention to the pronunciation and intonation of the characters. You can also repeat after them to practice your speaking.
That makes sense. I've noticed that the characters in your videos speak quite naturally, which is helpful for real-life conversations. Is there anything else I should do while watching?
Absolutely. Take notes while watching the videos. Write down new words, phrases, or expressions that you come across. After watching, you can review your notes and try to use those words in your own sentences. It's a great way to expand your vocabulary and improve your grammar.
That's a great tip. I'll definitely start doing that. Is there a specific schedule I should follow for watching the videos?
It's up to you, Michael. I would recommend setting aside some time each week to watch and practice with the videos. Consistency is key when learning a language. Additionally, you can also interact with other viewers in the comments section and participate in discussions. It's a great way to connect with fellow English learners and practice your writing skills.
That sounds like a supportive community. I'll make sure to engage with others and share my progress too. Thank you for creating such a helpful resource, Ms. Johnson. I'm really excited to start using your YouTube channel to improve my English speaking.
You're very welcome, Michael. I'm thrilled that you're enthusiastic about it. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in speaking English. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way.
I appreciate that, Ms. Johnson. I'll definitely reach out if I need any guidance. Thank you once again for everything.
You're welcome, Michael. Enjoy your learning journey, and I'll see you in class. Keep up the great work.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.